George, where are you going? Now that the star of the show is here, we're going to do a quick tip here before it rains on pulling a gimbal bearing the right way. Now, for a long time I've used a slide hammer or other things to pull out a gimbal bearing for replacement. That was until I found the only way that I'll ever pull a gimbal bearing ever again. There's some clones and stuff out there now, but I'm not sure what their quality is like, so there'll be a link to this one as well as the ones that I haven't purchased and tried. So let's show you how this thing works. So if you have an Alpha 1 up there inside of this nasty greasy tunnel, so in that greasy disgusting mess there's a bearing that we need to pull out to replace. We have this gigantic rod with a little inside piece here, and essentially it locks in and catches right here on this lip. So it catches right here on this lip and yanks the gimbal bearing out, because you have this plate which is threaded and fits perfectly right onto there. What we're going to do with this is take this and insert it into the gimbal bearing. Once it's in there, we can take our plate once you're getting close to being snug, we'll put the center piece in. Till it's tight. Then we will take some sort of a large adjustable wrench and just start turning this around and around. And then it'll start going easy. Once it starts going real easy, there's your gimbal bearing. So this one doesn't look like it's that old, but you can see how this locks in the front to prevent this from shrinking down and popping through. So you can slide that out. And now the bad part, your plate is halfway on there, so you've got to turn it all the way back off if you want to keep it somewhere compact. Otherwise you could just leave it on there. But there you have it. The easy way to remove a gimbal bearing with the MBS Fab gimbal bearing puller. George thinks that name could be improved upon, like maybe put, 10,000 behind it or something. The MBS Fab gimbal bearing turbo extractor. Anyways, thanks for watching.